Hello friends, in this particular episode we will see the judiciary which is there in Blaze, Supreme Court of Justice. Now the term of judge would be up to 65 years. In certain cases the age of retirement would be 75 years. Chief Justice of this court is appointed by Governor General on advice of Prime Minister and in consultation with the leader of opposition. This court has unlimited original jurisdiction to hear civil or criminal matters. Court of Appeal. This court has jurisdiction to hear appeals in respect of civil and criminal matters. The number of judges to be appointed in this court is decided by National Assembly. The judges of this court are appointed by the Governor General on advice of Prime Minister and in consultation with leader of opposition. The appeal against decision of this court can be filed before Caribbean Court of Justice in some cases by right and in some cases by taking leave. Then there is a commission, Judicial and Legal Services Commission. This commission has 4 members. The tenure of members is 3 years. It has Chief Justice, Chairman of Public Service Commission, Solicitor General and President of Bar Association of Blaze. This commission has power to appoint promotions, confirm judges and transfer of the judges. Then we have Summary Jurisdiction Court. This court has exclusive criminal jurisdiction. Then we have District Court. This court has exclusive civil jurisdictions. So friend, these were the courts which are there in Blaze. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Blaze. Thank you.